Create a stroke. Size more than 50. Name it progress bar. Add trim paths to the stroke. Add keyframes to the end path. Keyframes to easy ease. Add some skew value. Add a shape rectangle fill layer for masking the progress bar. Name it matte. Select alpha matte of the progress bar layer. Add a shape rectangle stroke layer for the progress bar. Name it stroke. Add dashes to the progress bar for steps-wise progress. Add glow effect to the progress bar. Next, add 2 text layers for progress percentage display. Next, 2 more text layers for loading and completed text. Add slider control effect to the progress value text layer. Next, link the source text parent to the slider value. Next, open the source text expression. Add round off expression. Math.round. At the end of the 100%, trim the loading text layer, and add opacity keyframes to the completed text layer. For loading text continuous blinking, add opacity keyframes. Alt-click to add expression. Type lookout. Duplicate the composition for another style progress bar. Change the line to round cap. Change skew value to 0. Increase the roundness of the stroke layer rectangle. As well as increase the roundness of the matte layer rectangle. You can change the color and stroke dashes also after completing 100%.